In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, integrating Trello with GitHub can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing you to link your project management with your development workflow. This means you can keep everything organized and in one place. So let's dive in step by step. First, the very first thing you want to do is to log in. Make sure you're signed in to your Trello account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Just head over to the Trello website, fill in your details, and sign up. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on. Next, you'll need to select the specific Trello board that you want to integrate with GitHub. Think of a board as a project workspace where you manage your tasks and ideas. So, go ahead and click on the board you intend to use. After you've selected your board, the next step involves utilizing what Trello calls power-ups. These are essentially add-ons that enhance the functionality of your boards. Now, to access the power-ups, look for the icon in the top right corner of your board. It resembles a puzzle piece, which represents the various integrations you can use. Go ahead and click that power-ups icon. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up. From that menu, you need to select the option that says Add Power-Ups. This will take you to a library where you can browse through various integrations available for your Trello board. After you've accessed the Power-Ups library, it's time to search specifically for GitHub. In the search bar that's available at the top of the page, type in GitHub. As you type, you should see the GitHub power-up appear in the results. This integration will allow you to easily connect your Trello cards to your GitHub repositories. Now, once you find the GitHub integration, the next step is simple. Click on it to see more details about what it can do for you. This can include associating Trello cards with specific GitHub issues or pulling in updates directly from your code repository. Once you're convinced that this is exactly what you want, look for the button that says Add. Click it to install the GitHub power-up on your selected Trello board. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Trello with GitHub. From now on, you'll be able to streamline your project management and development workflows more efficiently. Just remember that you might need to authorize the integration, which usually involves logging into your GitHub account and granting Trello permission to access your repository data. A seamless connection between Trello and GitHub can really help you track progress and manage your tasks more effectively. If you encounter any issues or have questions about the process, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks